afternoon. We're here in Alice Beach, and Sean is going to be installing some wallpaper in this powder bath. And the interesting challenge, which is actually very different, it doesn't happen every day, is to match the wallpaper to this valance. You can see a sample of the wallpaper here, which I've cut and paste, and here's the window treatment. And so what we are tasked to do is to match the pattern to that window treatment so it'll be continuous all the way around. It will not match everywhere on the window treatment, but we can really make it look really good, or Sean can make it look really good after he does his installation. So the first thing we did was we just pasted a small piece. He wanted to see how much it was going to grow in width, and now he's going to position this around this valance, this window treatment, and then it has like a 4.25 inch repeat, so that's not too bad of a repeat, and he'll have some leeway to work with it. I'll cut it a little bit longer the first one, and then after that we'll cut it to height.
Here's the thing, it's got to be at the top. This is one guide to get it going, but it also has to be matching here. So I don't know if that's it, because the shade actually, you see, folds in that corner. So if anything, that's too... It takes a minute to think about it, how you're going to do it. So I think I've got the height good there. Well, I've marked a line across the top of the valance before I take it down, and this is going to help me know the pattern, hopefully. So you can see here that I've got a piece of paper. That's our little sample that, it just shows me that I've got the right height. Hi, welcome back to Team Shania. We're still at Alice Beach. Okay, so we've pretty much got it figured out how we're going to make the wallpaper match the Roman shade that was previously installed. We took it down. I made some marks on the wall, which this represents the bottom of this flower pattern. So that's where I started with. And first attempt, I got it up there and just laying this back on the L brackets and put it where the screw was put in. And as you can see, it matches pretty good. So we're gonna go with it. Hey look, we finished our job at Alice Beach today. We did 3 rooms. This was the powder bathroom we did last. You can see the sun setting. It's a little after 6. And we were able to match the wallpaper to the existing Roman shade, and it really turned out good. Very proud. You can see it's lined up. And I'm gonna say, way to go Team Shania, A+.